Hello my friends, welcome to EdutorSite. Today we are going to learn more about microcontrollers and we will learn about robotics. We will put our first step in the robotics and automation. Let me know how many of you are fascinated by the robots. Okay, let me correct. How many of you want to make robots? Great. So today we will put our first step in the robotics and we will make and program a robot as per your choice. So we are going to learn more about AtMega16 and AtMega8. So ready guys? So what are we waiting for? Let's learn. So you guys can see AtMega16 on your screens. I bought it from Robomart. You can also get it from Robomart or similar any kind of robotic stuff that sell. That's not a big deal. Okay. So let's begin with what's on AtMega16. So on this small and simple robot, you can see there is a chip. Okay. So on this simple and soft robot, you can see there is a chip, and there is a on-off button. There is a USB port. There is a charging port that is labeled with PWR. That is supposed to be abbreviation for power. Okay. There is a small chip by name L293D. That's actually basically a memory storage, we can say. And there's a long chip. That's actually microcontroller about which we are going to learn. It's microcontroller. Its brand is actually AtMel. It's AtMel's AtMega8. How to program AtMega8 as per our choice. Okay. So you can see the brand name written over there, AtMel, and microcontroller name obviously AtMega8. There are a few numbers that which have significance. I have another video for that. You can watch that out. There are a few colorful bands, majorly of green color, and some color codes over it. They are the resistors. Resistors are basically something that resist. Okay, resist means that stops it from flowing. Maybe they have resist current flow. That's why they are called resistors. Okay, they don't allow current flow to pass through them. That's basically what's resistor. For detailed video, I will give a link in the description. You can view that about resistors. There's a tower-like structure, blue colored tower-like structure, and something written over it. That's capacitor. Capacitor is opposite of resistor. Capacitor stores electric current and allows it to flow whenever needed. That's the basically function of capacitor. Again, detailed video will be made over it, so don't worry, you will learn about capacitors. But for now, capacitor is something which have capacity to hold the current and release it whenever needed. You can see capacitors in your daily uses, like your fan, coolers, fan, or anything that needed a motion to begin, okay, or thrust to begin with. That's the function of capacitor. You can see some thorn-like structure, thorns, right? Okay. They are the inputs over which we attach different connectors. Okay, they are called main inputs. Okay, there are 4 LEDs over here, labeling PB1, PB2, PB3, PB4. That are the port numbers. When we code, you will get to know that we have to specify the port number, and so current should flow in which port. The port number which we will specify, a command will be given to that port number. That's why PB1, PB2, PB3, PB4. Okay, you can see different port numbers for at higher versions of microcontrollers. Even you can define your port number. Means you can make your robot as per your choice. But here we don't have that much flexibility to define our port numbers or to reassemble the ports. But sure, we can assign different tasks for it. So no worries, we will do everything that we can do with the microcontroller, and your imagination, creativity, and from our basic knowledge, we will make a great things. So ready for that? Okay, let's move ahead. Talking about the sensors, the last 2 structures in front of it. About these last 2 structures, these are the IR sensors. Infrared sensors. Yeah, infrared sensors, basically it works to check the obstacle. you can see at the bottom of the infrared structures there are two different LED like structures. One is the receiver, one is the transmitter as expected. Over there it is written one IRO and it's a receiver kind of thing, and photo 02, that's the basically its name. Okay, so we use IR sensor for the obstacle testing, but you can make it more uses as per you can. Let's see how much we can do with the IR sensors. The wheels and the pillars and DC motors are attached to it. You can get those along with the kit. That's not big deal, and assembly is too easy, too easy. Anyone can do it. So if there is a need for assembling video, please ping me, comment me below. There will be a video on assembling. I will make the video for the assembling for you guys, so don't worry about it. Just ping me if you want any of the thing. Okay, there is the simple on off switch over there. Yeah, I see one more thing. You can see over there there are different kinds of registers. I think there are 3 different kinds of registers over there. You will find all the thing and everything about registers, its types and its function, its work, which color coded register works over here for which purpose, everything in my video about the registers. So wait till it. I will put the link in the description, don't worry. If you are at EdutorSite, the most safest and beginner's place ever. You can also see a 4.0 port over there, USB port, for us to connect it with the computer so that we can code it as we need. Yes, this microcontroller will be can be flashed with several times. I can show you. Wait a minute, I will remove this microcontroller. It's very easy to remove the microcontroller from the structure, not too very hard. Remove the microcontroller from the kit. Right over here you might the structure which was over here, we have removed the microcontroller. It's safe to do it and it's very easy to do it, not a big deal very. I just did it to show you guys the microcontroller. So that's it for now. We will meet you in the next video with the coding for this microcontroller AtMega8. We will make great things and we will make this robot to work. Don't worry, you are at EdutorSite. We will begin from the root. Thank you. Guys, this is the microcontroller AtMega8 which we have removed from the kit. Let me give you a closer look. You can see over here written AtMega8A 1425. That's the code. We don't have a concern with it right now. So tiny, right? And you can do lots and lots of things. Can you believe? Yes, technology is hard and fast, but we are not. हम भी कुछ पीछे नहीं है टेक्नोलॉजी के. We all not back. We are learning, and you will learn great things within a day or two. You will learn how to code this microcontroller, and you will make great things out of it. So that's all for till now. Let's meet you in the next video. Goodbye.